Like my eyeball?
Cool.
Mama?
Mama? Did you pick your movie?
Have you seen the Scarecrow one?
Oh, Scarecrow one? I have no idea where that's at. Because you look like an alien.
Yeah, it's scaring me.
Scary.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, put that. That's freaky.
That was funny. Do it again. It's funny. Do that. Do the alien one again.
I don't like the alien. It's scary. Oh, creepy. Quit it. You look like an alien. Oh, they're scary looking.
Open your mouth. Say ah. Do it. Do it
She
again.
looks like an alien.
Do it again. It's funny.
100% when you're done?
She could plug it in. Huh?
Are you going to put the charger away?
What are you talking about? Me?
Do the big one. Do the big one again. It's funny. Because you're big eyes.
Yes! Charge all night?
Do it again. The big
Oh, stop! Gosh, Kenzie, that is freaky. Quit that! That was scary.
Shut.
Quit moving.
Or I'll eat your brains.
Aliens don't eat brains. They take people to do experiments on them.
Or I'll do what she said. So you better be quiet. Do that again. That's funny.
Morgan.
With your alien work. The big one. The big eyeballs. That's funny. Make it big eyeballs.
What if I want to use your computer? Are you going to yell at me?
Do a big eyeball. Super big eyeballs. That's funny. Then it looks like an alien. Then it looks like an alien.